Outside South Africa's highest court, members of Mkhonto weSizwe, or the MK party, arrived singing and chanting in defiance. Quickly, the verdict fell. Jacob Zuma, South Africa's former president and the founder of the MK party, was barred from holding office again. While his name and face are already printed on ballots, the court found that he cannot hold office if elected in May 29th's general elections, much to the frustration of his supporters.
But we are resolute. We will await direction from our leadership. But as members of the party, we're very disappointed.
We are all disappointed, of course. But President Zuma is on the ballot. This is academic.
For Zuma's supporters, the Supreme Court's ruling is based on a technicality. For his critics, it's justice after years of corruption allegations. South Africa's constitution bars anyone with an over 12-month conviction from being elected. And Zuma was sentenced to 15 months of prison in 2021 for refusing to appear at a corruption inquiry. He ended up serving less than 3 months, but the court found this irrelevant. That sentence 3 years ago led to riots that killed over 300 people. And now there are fears the ruling could create unrest again. Zuma held a mass rally on Saturday where he explained he would need a 2/3 majority to change the Constitution's rules.
That is why we want to get an outright victory. Because if we don't get the 2/3, the opposition may stop us.
Polling at under 10%, the MK party is facing an uphill battle. But it and dozens of other parties do pose a threat to the ANC. In its most competitive election yet, the ANC may be faced with having to turn to smaller parties to hold on to a majority.